One of the greatest mistakes we all make, whether we are CEOs, sales or marketing executives, investors, research analysts, managers, or even, perhaps, say, a public policymaker. The greatest mistakes we all make are, firstly, not understanding the unknown risks that may affect our success, perhaps just a few weeks or months down the line. And secondly, not constantly seeking new avenues, ideas, and sources of leads for growth, especially in difficult external environments when things can change so quickly. You see, the generic AI bots, news alerts, or market intelligence tools we all rely on often don't tell us exactly what we need to know in a way that is precisely, most accurately, relevant to us. They sometimes actually confuse you even further. And they are often not even directly relevant. They just eat up valuable time. What we really need is a succinct, daily or weekly strategy-level briefing, like a consultant, usually a very expensive consultant, would provide, but tailored precisely to your goals and needs. One that saves you time by cutting out all of the fluff, that helps you get to the nub of whatever matters, and ultimately helps you perform better. That's what we really need, and that is precisely what IMN is and does. IMN is the world's first hyper-personalized, prompt-free business intelligence platform that acts as your personal research team, multiple topic-based expert consultants, and a high-level strategic advisor, all in one. It has a powerful AI engine that automatically tracks everything that matters to you from your external environment, with precise focus and relevance to you. It tracks your competitors, regulatory shifts, also the risks, say potential supply chain issues or new market entrants, or undiscovered customer needs, and almost anything else that you never knew could affect you. It finds new opportunities or leads you may never otherwise find, and so much more, all tailored so precisely to your role that it feels intuitive, as if IMN is reading your mind and generating outcomes for you, all on autopilot. It's that one essential tool every serious professional needs, which takes so little time to use daily, yet is just so powerful in helping you understand what matters to you that you may otherwise never even think of. Whether you are trying to build a business or even working hard to save one, whether you want to serve your citizens as a legislator or you're an executive in any department at any company. You may be an investor, a GP, an LP, or a research analyst responsible for a critical investment portfolio. You could be a founder, a group CEO, a CFO, a consultant, whatever. Whatever your role or sector, just try out IMN and see how it, almost unbelievably, tailors itself so precisely to your most important goals and responsibilities. It's a remarkable piece of tech, and now available for both individuals and teams via the same self-service portal. I would suggest watching the 18-minute video tutorial on my imn.com's homepage to fully understand how it can find you new growth opportunities, generate innovative ideas, manage risk, and, overall, help you maximize your chances of success. I hope you'll also find that it's an absolute game changer for you personally, as much as for your team and organization as a whole.